Good day, class. So for today, we are going to discuss transformable equations into quadratic equations. Our objective is to transform equations into quadratic equation. Okay. Example number 1. Solve x times the quantity x minus 5 is equal to 36. This equation is not written in standard form of a quadratic equation. So all you have to do is to simplify the expression. So x times x, that is x squared, x times negative 5, that is negative 5x, is equal to 36. And now, you are going to transpose positive 36 to left side of the equation. So we have x squared minus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. And now, this is the new equation. This equation can be solved using any of the methods in solving quadratic equation. So I'm going to use factoring. So the factors are x minus 9 times x plus 4 is equal to 0. Using the zero product property, we have x minus 9 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. Using APE, we have x now is equal to positive 9 and the other one is x is equal to negative 4. This is x sub 1 and this is x sub 2. So the values or the roots of this equation are positive 9 and negative 4. We are going to check if these values of x are true to this equation. Kasi minsan nangyayari po, isa sa mga roots ay hindi siya tama dun sa original equation. So we are going to check. Okay, if x is equal to 9, substitute po. So this is 9 times 9 minus 5 is equal to 36. So 9 times 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 is equal to 36. So 9 times 4, that is 36, is equal to 36. So tama po yung positive 9. What if x is equal to negative 4? So substitute negative 4 times negative 4 minus 5 is equal to 36. So this is negative 4 times negative 4 minus 5, that is negative 9, is equal to 36. So negative 4 times negative 9, that is positive 36, is equal to positive 36. So they are equal. So meaning to say, this value of x, which is negative 4, are true to this equation. So meaning to say, the roots are positive 9 and negative 4. Okay, example number 2. Solve 3s times the quantity s minus 2 is equal to 12s. So all you have to do again, you are going to transform this equation into standard form of a quadratic equation by simplifying this expression. So this is 3s times s. This is 3s squared. 3s times negative 2, that is negative 6s, is equal to 12s. And now, standard form of this equation is 3s squared minus 6s. Transpose this 12s to left side of the equation, we have negative 12s is equal to 0. And then simplify, or by combining like terms, so we have 3s squared minus negative 6s minus 12s, that is negative 18s, is equal to 0. And now, using factoring, okay, so the factors are 3s times s minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, and now we are going to solve for s. So by using the zero product property, 3s is equal to 0, and the other one, s minus 6, is equal to 0. So to solve the value of s here, you are going to divide both sides by 3. S now is equal to 0. And the other one, we have s is equal to positive 6. Okay, we are going to check if these values of s are true to this original equation. So checking if s is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to substitute 3 times 0 times 0 minus 2 is equal to 12 times 0. So 3 times 0 is 0 times 0 minus 2, that is negative 2, is equal to 0. Okay, 0 times negative 2 is 0 is equal to 0. So this value of s are true to this original equation. Next, what if s is equal to positive 6? So again, 3 times 6 times 6 minus 2 is equal to 12 times 6. 3 times 6, that is 18, times 6 minus 2, that is 4, is equal to 12 times 6, that is 72. 18 times 4, that is 72, is equal to 72. So I mean to say, this value of s are true to this original equation. So the values of s are 0 and positive 6. Okay, example number 3. Find the roots of the equation square of x plus 5 plus square of x minus 2 is equal to 37. So all you have to do this one, you are going to transform this into quadratic equation. Okay, so square of x plus 5, that is square of x, or square the first term, that is x squared, and then twice the product of the first term and the second term, that is plus 10x. 2 times 5 times x, that is 10x, and then square of the second term, that is 25. 5 square, that is 25, plus, ulitin lang po natin yung step, square of x, that is x square, and then 2 twice the product of the first term and the second term, that is negative 4x, and then square of the second term, that is positive 4, is equal to 36. Next, by combining like terms, so x square plus x square, that is 2x square. Next, positive 10x minus 4x, that is positive 6x. And then 25 plus 4, that is 29, is equal to 37. Sorry, this is 37. Next, we are going to transpose this one to left side of the equation. So we have 2x squared plus 6x plus 29 minus 37 is equal to 0. Again, simplify. We have 2x squared plus 6x 29 minus 37, we have negative 8 is equal to 0. So the equation is 2x squared plus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0. You are going to simplify this equation by dividing both sides of the equation by 2. Kasi nga po, yung mga coefficients po ay divisible sa 2. So, divide both sides natin ng 2. So, 2x squared divided by 2, that is x squared. 6x divided by 2, that is positive 3x. And then, negative 8 divided by 2, that is negative 4, is equal to 0 divided by 2, that is 0. Okay? Next. So, we are going to solve this equation using any method in solving quadratic equation. So, I'm going to use factoring. The factors are x plus 4 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Using the zero product property, okay, we have x plus 4 is equal to 0, and then x minus 1 is equal to 0. Using APE, we have x now is equal to, or x sub 1 is equal to negative 4, and x sub 2 is equal to positive 1. If you are going to substitute these values of x from the original equation, ay tama po ito. Okay? True po silang dalawa sa ating original equation. Okay? So, the values of x are negative 4 and positive 1.